Hey, what's up, guys? Now, this new photo editing trend is viral on Instagram and social media, and now you should be learn how to create this retro style photo of your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your mother, to impress them, to make them happy. So, just or for yourself as well if you are a girl. Yes, so let's head to the Gemini and you just have to click on create image. That will open the nano banana model which creates and edits image. So I'm just using my wife's photograph. You can use any, let me just use something okay like this, and you just have to paste this prompt. I have added this prompt in the description of this video. What exactly we are doing in this prompt, we are asking Gemini to convert this photo to a 4K HD realistic, a stunning portrait of a young Indian woman with long dark wavy hair cascading over her shoulders. She is wearing a translucent elegant red sari. You may change color of sari, so let's, instead of having a red, maybe let's say purple, draped over one shoulder, and you can just make more changes here. So you may also tell her that she's sitting on a stool, she's sitting on a sofa, she's in a garden. You can define the scene as the way you want, but this is the trending prompt or the viral prompt which everyone is using. You may make minor changes but still join the trend, follow the trend. Okay, so once it is done, once you have made all the changes you want, just send this to Gemini and let it create the image. While it is generating the image, you have to do two things. One, subscribe to the channel. Two, hit that bell icon. And third thing is complimentary. You have to like this video as well. And now you can see we have created this nice, stunning, retro styled, portrait from this photograph. And now it's your turn. Create your own and tag us on the Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description below. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.